and to really bring in the bettors. No, because if mamanipulahin yan, kung kaya pong manipulatin yan, Your Honor, I don't think you had to bet more. Kasi kung ang premise natin ay mamamanipulate, I think just 20 pesos will be enough.
Mr. Chair, Mr. General Manager, you're hearing me, but you're not listening. Wala ko sinasabi na mamanipulahin yung game. There's no manipulation actually, kung tutusin. What I'm trying to say here is, tatayaan lahat ng possible combinations. Again, the ICT, tatayaan yung 14 million combinations. Sabi mo kasi may 6 days.
Yung advanced betting po yan, advanced betting. Mr. Chair, if I may.
Sir, let me finish. Tatayaan po lahat na itong 14 million combinations. How would that happen? Kasi kung 14 million, hindi naman pwede isang tao taya dito, taya doon, taya doon. Magulo at impossible. Pero pwedeng gawin ng isang tao lang at merong siyang kasabwat sa Pacific. Also, show us, hindi lamang sa 649, so sa lahat ng games.
Opo,
642, 645, 649, 655, and 658.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes,
Kasi yun ang concern ng mga
Opo,
bettors.
opo.
So show us the records na hindi lahat ng combinations ay tinayaan.
Opo.
Kasi pag lumitaw na lahat ng combination ay tinayaan para manalo, then doon nagkaroon ng house show kung tawagin.
Well, sabi ko nga po,
Hindi lang sir, kailangan lang sagutin mo lang. I need a record
Opo, we'll give you po now. If
sa lahat ng panalo, hindi tinayaan ang lahat ng combinations.
Opo.